So in the building behind me is actually the hotel. It's called Hotel Barceló. I have to speak in Italian, even though we're in the Czech Republic. So actually I'm quite amazed by the service that they gave me, because they upgraded my room. Plus they gave me like a free drink, like champagne, when I entered. So I will just show you anyway how the hotel looks like, because it has a really nice hallway, to be honest. A nice reception area. So let's take a look. So when you enter, look at this hall. I really like the light and how it looks like. Wow. It's really beautiful. So let's go up.
No, it starts.
Okay. Let's see if I need to use my card. No. Fortunately, I'm just only on the second floor. Wow. I like the colors.
Druhé patro. Second floor.
Oh, really nice. So again, I'm really happy how it looks like, because, you know, Mr. Distant Explorer is a... I like luxury, let's just keep it like that. And sure, I like to travel on a budget as well, which is great and all. But if you can afford it, or if you can find some nice deals somewhere, of course staying in a luxury hotel is always the best there is. So let's open it. Let's turn on some lights. And check this. So I get my free, how do you call this in English? I actually have no idea. Slippers, right? Yeah, slippers. Bathrobe. Oh, looks nice. So then I have a really big bed, which I absolutely love. This gives me a lot of space. So we have some window. Is there a view? Not really, right? It's not the greatest view, but hey, still very nice building though. It's not part of the hotel, but still. So we have the fridge, which is really important if you want to get a party started in here. We have some champagne. Oh, look guys, remember like the last time in the last video I told you about Becherovka? So yeah, we have it here too. So if you want to disgust yourself, there we have it. Some chocolate, some peanuts, Red Bull, of course Red Bull. All right, you want to know the prices? We have some protein bars, ooh, some water, some snacks, nice. Let's check out the bathroom. All right, just a standard toilet with some art. There's a phone in case you pass out because, well, you know, your poop's too big. All right, there's a bath. Oh, nice, and a lovely rain shower. Ooh, I like that. Let me waving it. The camera in the mirror. All right, it's actually quite nice, to be honest. And for a night, it's, I think I paid something like 60 or 70 euros. Quite nice, to be honest. I mean, it just opened, so that's even better. All right, so let's test out the bed. Hell yeah. Wow. It's already dark. That's a good bed.
Season.
Two pieces, yeah. Some bacon as well. But yeah, lovely. Maybe sausage too, like 2 sausage, small ones, yeah.
2 pieces?
Yes, please. And some scrambled eggs would be nice. Ah, super, it's perfect.
Some bread?
No, thank you. So this is me narrating it actually from home because I was so focused on the food and I was so hungry and it looked so delicious, I forgot to talk about it. So the hotel had everything that you actually can wish for a breakfast, yogurt, cereals, anything warm, pancakes. However, I found out later that they charged me $20 per person for the breakfast, which is quite steep and I probably should eat a lot more at that time. Oh wow, look at this drizzle. Delicious, I'm hungry already. Anyway guys, if you liked the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. And for more videos about Brno or other travel videos, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.